Hey guys, Sam here from Ecommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to optimize your Google Shopping campaigns. Here, you'll learn the strategies that we use to optimize and scale Google Shopping campaigns, generating thousands of dollars in sales and profits for our clients. We'll help you turn your shopping campaigns from this to this. First, we'll answer some important questions about optimizing and scaling. Then I'm going to show you how to optimize. Let's get into it. Okay, what is optimizing and why do we need to do it for our Google Shopping campaigns? It's important to remember that success in Google Shopping campaigns doesn't happen overnight. It also doesn't happen without you doing the work. The optimization process involves regularly looking at your data and performance. Then we make changes to move the campaign in the right direction. Imagine that you're a sculptor that's crafting a masterpiece. We make changes, step back, and observe it from a distance. Then we might get in close again to make more changes. We keep doing this over time until we make more profits. This takes time and patience and requires a lot of experience, but you will get better over time. The goal for most e-commerce store owners is to just get it to a point where you can hire someone to take it over for you. Now, how long does it take to get results? This can depend on a large number of factors. The most important factor being the conversion rate for your store and the market demand for your products. Usually we find that Google Ads is a long-term game with consistent growth over time, what we call a sales generating machine. Imagine if you had a traffic source like this, just ticking over month by month, bringing in new sales every single month. Well, it does take work to build this, and that's what we're going to teach you here. In terms of a general timeline, here's what you can expect. It takes a few days to get your first impressions and your first clicks to trickle through. Usually you'll start getting conversions within at least the first 2 weeks. And usually we break even within the first 2 months and are making profits, but often it's sooner than that. Then it's about balancing the total sales with the profitability of those sales as we scale over time with smart optimizations. Every account is different, but as long as you keep at it and make the right decisions, you're going to be moving in the right direction. Okay, I'm now going to go over the optimizations we're going to make. For each of these, we have a deeper tutorial that goes into much more detail on how to execute each optimization. I'll leave a link to the links to those tutorials down below this video. Let's get into them right now. The first one is your campaign bidding strategy. This is the actual bidding setting on your campaign. So many people get this wrong, it's insane. You need to give Google the right goal and direction at the start, especially when you have no conversion data. There are different bidding strategies for different situations. You have manual bidding, maximize clicks, and target ROAS. Each one has a different use case, and it's important that you choose the right one depending on the state of your account right now. So there's a lot to go in here on bidding strategies, and that's why we have a full tutorial on bidding strategies. I'll leave a link to that down below. Next, we have negative keywords. Adding negative keywords to your shopping campaigns means that you're telling Google what not to show your ads for. For example, we may start our shopping campaigns and find out certain information. For example, maybe the algorithm has got a bit stuck and we're showing our ads for people searching for power drill toys when we just sell power drills. So we add toy as a negative keyword to stop this from happening. We find these search terms by looking at the search terms report of our Google Shopping campaign. Again, there's a lot of strategy that goes into this. I go into a lot more detail on this in my video about adding negative keywords to Google Shopping campaigns. I'll leave a link to that video down below. Last, but definitely not least, we have optimizing our product feed and our product data. This is by far the most useful and often the most forgotten tactic to optimizing your Google Shopping campaigns. It means adjusting the product attributes in your product feed based on what people are searching for and what people are buying. It helps to guide the Google algorithm to show for more and more customers that are going to buy your products. Most people just set up their Google Merchant Center account and don't even take care of their feed. I have a deep dive tutorial on how to optimize your product data and your product feed. I'll leave a link to that down below. This really is the foundation of a profitable and scalable Google Shopping campaign. Okay, so how often do I need to do my optimizations? Knowing what to optimize is one thing, but knowing when to optimize is another. We have a full tutorial on when to optimize your Google Shopping campaigns. It comes with a checklist and a schedule so you know what to optimize and when to optimize, daily, weekly, and monthly. I'll leave a link to that tutorial down below. Go and get that checklist and that schedule for your store. All right, guys, that's how we optimize Google Shopping campaigns. I know I mentioned quite a few other tutorials to go and do a deep dive into. Take a look at those down below in the description. And letting you know that this video here is actually part of our free Google Shopping course. It's completely free. It shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns to over 100K per month in sales. I'll leave a link to that course down below. Also, if you're already generating over 20K per month in sales for your e-commerce store and you want to scale to 7 figures or above, book a time with my team and I. We use Google Ads, Facebook ads, and conversion rate optimization to scale stores above 7 figures. I'll leave a link to our calendar down below. You can book a time with my team and I, and we'll talk through how we'll do this for your store. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to click here for the next video in the free course, and I'll see you there.
Thank you.